Hey, what's going on guys, this is Bruce Lee, welcome to the channel. Today's going to be a quick video on how to remove the GT86 or FRS front bumper. You don't need any specialist tools for this job, just a 10mm socket, ratchet, Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. So first of all, you've got 5 10mm bolts to remove from the top of the bumper. You also have 2 plastic clips to remove as well. This can be done using a screwdriver or a trim tool. Once these are removed, you'll be able to remove the metal retaining strip that runs across the top of the bumper. Place that to one side. There are 4 plastic clips to remove inside the wheel arch. You'll gain better access to this by turning the wheel on the lock. These plastic clips have got Phillips heads on them and should only require a quarter turn and then pull them out. But if they've been removed before or become old and brittle, they tend to fail. So you might just need to lever them out gently with a screwdriver. Once you've done that on both sides, look underneath the vehicle and there are 9 plastic clips to remove from the bumper underneath. These can be a bit fiddly. These plastic clips you should just be able to pull out the center and the whole thing should be able to pull out from there. If they do prove to be a pain, this is where the trim tool comes in handy. It would probably be advised to remove the indicator lenses themselves. They do just clip out. On this particular side I didn't remove the indicator, and you can see you can just pull it down and it will come free. On the other side you can also just pop the indicator out and there's a clip underneath it in the metal bracket. Once those are removed, you can just simply pull the bumper forward. There's like little plastic retaining tabs just that run across the top of the bumper and they go underneath the headlights. All they do is require a bit of force and they will come free. This should be it for this part if you don't have the headlight jets, which in this case I do. So pull it forward a little bit, or you could just simply get your fingernails underneath the jet covers and pull them out. And the jet covers simply just pull off with a bit of force. So next thing you need to do is unplug the fog light wiring and the indicator wiring if you haven't done this yet. The indicator wiring can be a bit fiddly, so maybe wait till you've dropped it on the floor to pull it through the hole that it goes through. I hope you found this video helpful. For more tutorials and car related antics, please head over to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Peace out.